This video will show you how to set up a Hik-Connect account with your mobile phone number. Begin by downloading the Hik-Connect for End Users app. iPhone users can download this app from the App Store. Android users can download the Hik-Connect app from the Hikvision App Store found at the link below. This icon indicates where to press on your mobile device. Once you have completed the app download, simply open the app to begin creating your account. Press the Login Register button. Next, press Register on the left side of your screen. Press Agree. Select Canada and press the check mark at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Continue the process by then pressing Register by mobile phone number at the bottom of your screen. Enter your 10-digit mobile phone number and a unique password of your choosing, then press the Get Security Code button at the bottom of your screen. Type the unique 4-digit CAPTCHA code displayed within the box, and then press the checkmark icon at the top right of your screen. You will receive a text message including a 4-digit security code. Enter this unique 4-digit security code into the available field and then press the Finish button. The Hik-Connect account is now ready to be linked with a video recorder or have access to a video recorder shared to it from another Hik-Connect account. For more helpful instructional resources and information about new products and services, please visit us at altechsi.com or call us at 416-922-1212.